everybody, welcome. Now, today I was thinking, what can I do for a video? Anne's having an omelette. I've done one of them on my channel before. I'm having the rest of my kebab, the other half of my kebab I had yesterday from the chippy. Then I thought, well, what can I do then? If it's not really cooking. So I thought, well, I'll do something that I know a lot of you guys like, because you always mention it on the live stream. So I'm going to be doing this. Panko crab sticks with mayo sauce. I say I know a lot of you like crab sticks. I don't. But why not? Why not do it? There's all the ingredients. Nice and simple. It's in this book here. UK, where is it? If you can see it. The UK Air Fryer Cookbook 2023. That one of my neighbours gave me. So I've just been looking through it. And I saw them and I thought, well, let's do it. So it's nice and simple. I haven't really weighed the flour and everything. I've just put some in. And same with the panko crumbs and the egg, because you're just going to mix them, ain't you? That's all. They got 16 seafood sticks. That's what they call the powder in it. 99p. Ready to eat. Just white fish in it, that's all. And you got the crab flavour in it, ain't you? That's all. Same great taste, new look. That's all they are. You won't be able to see any of that. That's way too. You might be able to, I think. I don't know. Put it there just in case you can see it. That's them there. Right, so it's nice and simple. First things first. I'm going to get a couple of crab sticks out. I'm not going to do them all, because it's only going to be a show and taste thing, isn't it? That's all. Let's get a few out. There they are, look. They don't smell much, actually, to be honest with you, them. They don't smell much. I used to remember them really stinking. I suppose it's where you get them from and the quality in it, I suppose, as well. Let's get a couple of these open anyway. No, I can't really smell anything on them. Let's do, how many shall I do? 4, 5? I'll do 6, eh? I'll do 6. I'll open all them up. And I'm just going to give them a little pat dry. Make the flour and that stick a bit better. That's all. And then we will get, so it's a tablespoon of Old Bay. Luckily I've got some, but you ain't got to use Old Bay, have you? This is just this ingredient for this. Use what you want, I suppose, paprika or anything, couldn't you? Oh, what's happened to my screen? Hold on. Hold on, guys, my screen's gone funny. I don't know what happened there. I had to turn my phone off and on. Anyway, seems to be back to normal now. Tablespoon of Old Bay in the flour. Give it a mix. It is nice, this Old Bay stuff is. But as I was saying, you ain't got to use that, have you? You can use paprika, I suppose, or anything you want. And luckily the recipe says Old Bay there, and I've got some. So now we're just going to dip flour, egg, panko. Get the excess off. Dip all in. Panko, you probably can't see it properly. There's one, and I'll do the rest of them. Right, what I'm doing is I'm double dipping, because if you notice these ones, they haven't really stuck very well. And there's the double dip ones there, which are sticking a hell of a lot better. So that's what I'm doing. Yeah. Get it all in there. There you go, looks a lot better now, doesn't it? Look, bit more panko on it. There we go, 6 of them. Right, I will get the air fryer warmed up. I didn't show you the instructions, did I? But it's straightforward, there they are. It just says air fry for 12 minutes until golden brown, flip halfway through. So each air fry is different in it, so until the golden brown. So we will get them in the in the basket. There they are, look. And we will flip when they're done. There you go, 12 minutes, flick halfway, flip halfway through. I forgot to put my oil on. Got to spray them with oil. It's only been like 30 seconds, but I did remember in the end. There we go. Okay, while they're doing, we will do the mayo sauce. So 115 grams of this, this bowl's big enough. A little bit more. Do like a bit of mayo anyway. 114, good enough. A little bit of garlic. And a juice of a lime. Yeah, I'm going to have to get a bigger bowl. I'm going to have to get a bigger bowl. Get myself a bigger bowl so I can mix it together. I ain't going to be able to mix that in there, am I? There we go. And give it a mix. And that is it. Okay, let's have a look. It's been 6 minutes. Oh, sort of. Sort of. Let's turn them over. Oh, look at them, nice and crispy. They have gone crispy. That one looks the best. There we go, I hope you can see that. We put a little bit of oil on this side. Like so, there we go. Another few minutes and they'll be done. And we're done, guys. Put them on Craig's board today. That Craig made me. Thank you, Craig. Link in the description if anyone's interested to how he done it and that. There's that there. The mayo. Now let's get these out. These look quite nice actually. Oh, we dropped it then. There they are, look. Oh, a bit blurred. Get them on the thingy. Let me know if you've done this with crab sticks before. You probably have, haven't you, if you like crab sticks, you know. Nice simple snack, I suppose, isn't it? What do you think then? Yes? I don't think they look half bad actually, look. Right, taste test time. Right then, there we go. And Nat's going to go first, thank you, sweetheart.
Yep.
Nat used to like crab sticks, she said, but
I'm not sure.
she's not sure now.
I'm not sure if I like them.
That is a mayo and garlic and lime
What is it? Oh, God.
thing, yeah. See what you think. It's got Old Bay on it as well.
That's singy.
Tangy. Very tangy. With the lime. So much lime.
I don't know because it's just my first bite, so. They're not that bad actually.
They're not bad. Let me try one. They smell nice. I mean, I'm not a big crab stick fan anyway.
I have to have a couple of bites to get there. They're not that bad.
They're hot.
They're hot, yeah. I quite like them, but I couldn't eat many.
They're not bad, are they?
Not at all, actually. Are they?
No.
That takes away the crab taste.
I'd put a bit more seasoning in my flour. I put some bay in it. Some Old Bay.
I don't think
I could put a bit more in for me.
A little bit more for you. They're not that bad actually.
Well, apart from that,
They're quite nice.
For someone who doesn't like crabs, I'd eat them.
I'll grab one
I'm
more
going to eat
too.
them.
They're nourished.
A good little peck, ain't they? Peckers, didn't they? A good little snack. You know?
I couldn't eat many though.
I could eat loads of them.
So,
Got another.
they're quite nice actually. Different.
That's a thumbs up from me. For somebody who doesn't like crab, I'm going to eat them. And I might even make some more for a snack.
And I wasn't too sure.
And they're nice, aren't they?
I'm really nice actually.
I've got loads left, look now.
Now I've had another one.
3, 4, 6, I've got 10 left. So I'm going to make some more. I'm going to put a bit more bay seasoning in it there. I might try paprika one. Or I could try
Try a paprika one.
the pili chili one. Couldn't I?
Could do.
With the flour. Not on camera like, but
They're nice.
they're nice, aren't they?
Yeah, I do like them.
There we go, that's a thumbs up from me. That's a good recipe for that, nice and simple. And I do some good. There's some nice fish recipes in here. Couple of recipes are a bit rubbish. Air fryer salmon with lemon and dill. Sounds nice, lovely. I do like a bit of fish. Lemon garlic air fryer scallops. Firecracker prawns. There's quite a lot of prawn recipes in here. Fish with roasted sweet potatoes. Sounds nice. Yeah. Marinated swordfish skewers.
Fish tempura.
Fish tempura. Fish cakes. With pork and beef and everything in here. I'm going to have to do a few recipes out of this.
They're nice.
They're nice, aren't they? You eat them
I
all.
like that dip.
It's nice, isn't it? I say, I am the old food guy. And that, we both give that a thumbs up, don't we? Till the next... Yeah, come on, more, can't eat. Yeah, lovely. Try it. And I don't like fish, I don't like crab cakes, as I said. And they're delicious. See you later.